Hello, my name is William Slutters, Chief Operations Officer at Pekin Prairie Industries. I'd like to introduce you today to the D-Freeze 5-tray freeze-drying machine that's been in the works for the last 3.5 years. We've incorporated a number of new patents, technologies, and other tools to help improve your freeze-drying experience. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show as we introduce the brand new D-Freeze 5-tray freeze-drying machine. The defreeze machines are quite capable in the new technologies we placed in them. The technologies we've decided to implement are there for user experience and comfortability. Notice that the machine itself has all of the user controls right at operations level. There is no reaching to the back, no switches to the back, and best of all, no drainage that has to reach the back of the machines to be able to operate it quickly. A major difference between our machine and others is the new style of latching that we've chosen to implement on our machines. As opposed to the twist locks, our machines now clamp lock into place, ensuring the best connections between the seals on the front of the door. The next major difference on a defreeze freeze dryer is the screen. With 7 inches of space available to you, this screen operates as the main user interface for the machine. While the machine is running, you're capable of developing new recipes, looking through machine information, and even understanding how to utilize your machines more than if it was just running. The defreeze machine also stands out from others inside the industry by offering a convenient repressurization line right on the forward face of the unit. Simply lift to be able to encourage the repressurization of air. Our machine is also different in that it also offers a 5-micron HEPA filter, allowing clean filtered air to repressurize the system. A major thing that we've changed with the defreeze freeze-drying platforms is the drip and drain tray. As opposed to having a drain valve, which may accumulate bacteria, viruses, and other things that you wouldn't want inside of a food appliance, we've now moved to an entire drip and drain system where the drain water moves out of the front of the system. The drain system is conveniently located right to the front of the unit and simply hangs on the front of the unit, allowing the water to flow out the front of the system and into the waste bucket. One of the more impressive things that we've developed with the Pekin Prairie system is the ease of access right through the front of the machine. By simply pressing the power button located to the left of the logo, you're able to turn on the entire machine. Additionally, the power button serves as a warning and indicator light for your system. Blue is in standby, red in warning, and green in active process. This allows the user to have unrivaled access to their system operations without the need for reaching behind the machine or to the side of the machine to engage it. At defreeze, we pride ourselves on the ability to make a customizable platform for our customers, which is one of the reasons why our electrical design needed to have commercial level intercepts to be able to protect both you, your machine, and your place of operations. The defreeze has 4 main fuses located on the right side of the machine: a main breaker fuse, a heating fuse, a HVAC fuse, and a vacuum pump fuse. Each of those fuses, depending on the model of your choice, can be upgraded, allowing you to customize the machine to meet your freeze-drying needs. Continuing on our customization journey, we also found it important to be able to offer users the ability to customize what style of vacuum connections they're looking for. Whether you already own freeze-drying equipment and want to keep it to the same JIC connections, or you're looking to upgrade into other potential technologies, or have ready-to-able access for quick or easy dismount of your vacuum pumps, we solely recommend the KF25 stainless steel bellow combo. Either way, the defreeze stands ready to help you on your customization journey. As freeze dryers ourselves, we understand the impact of what zoning and heating control issues can do to a freeze dryer. This is one of the reasons why when we developed our own technology, we specifically crafted a patent pending technology to address heating with our individual shelf level heating and controls. Among being able to specifically control the temperature on each shelf, regardless of how cold the system is, it also allows the system to break down into very easy cleaning parts. Each of these individual shelves come apart and can be washed very quickly and completely. Additionally, the slide racks that allow this to stay in completely disassemble in a matter of seconds, allowing the machine to be quickly and easily washed. Another major design advantage of the defreeze system is its internal cooling system. Where other freeze dryers on the market may wind up using a cold system to chill the sublimation drum around the chamber, we focus on putting that efficiency right in with the product, which leads to faster and more efficient product sublimation. Additionally, the way that we have the line spaced out with the ability to remove the shelves makes the system easy to clean and very easy to access. One of the other things that we've noticed inside of the freeze drying equipment journey is the importance of having additional information specifically on how warm your product food is. Acting as a secondary measure to being able to determine the completedness of your product, a simple probe, when inserted into your product, will be able to help determine how much or how colder it is compared to the surrounding trays. This provides integral information to the freeze dryer to help enable the completedness of the product. To support the customization of your freeze drying journey, we knew that we needed to make the machine accessible for maintenance. Maintenance is imperative to the longevity of any appliance, and we encourage users to conduct regular maintenance on their machine. The defreeze has two side access panels to access the HVAC equipment, located on both the left and the right hand side. If you need to clean the compressor and the condensing HVAC unit, you can access it from these side panels. Additionally, there's also an electrical access panel to the back to support your need to either clean the machine or replace any damaged components in the need that something happens. At defreeze, one of the things that we've taken our time and consideration into is thoroughly designing a unit that meets the specific needs for every freeze dryer. It allows users to be able to customize their freeze dryer to their process, and it creates a long-lasting, highly durable unit. We'd like to thank you for being with us on this trip today, and we'd encourage you to reach out, connect with us if you have any questions. And we hope that moving forward, you'll find defreeze as the freeze drying choice to support your freeze drying adventures.